Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove Wix logo from site. So basically what you're gonna have to do, first of all go to settings and then go to favicon, and by default you're gonna have the Wix favicon, so you're gonna have to change that. So as you can see here, in order to be able to change it you're gonna have to upgrade to a premium plan. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go back to your editor, and you can simply upload your logo. So click on add elements, then choose image, upload, or you can simply go to custom logo here and you can create one. As you can see, add logo, and then you're gonna have to simply place it at the top, and then you're gonna have to simply click on it and then simply click on design my logo, and you can upload your custom logo, and that's it. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.